Hi, I'm Dr. Ashok Samtani. I wish to share with everybody the points for our maintaining good health. All of us want good health. We want excellent health. But then our health takes a second priority or not a greater priority because we are so busy with so many things, whether you call it family, whether you call it work, and so many things. So, in order to share some of the points, the first simplest point I would share is our ear represents the entire body. The ear basically is the entire body. It is a child in the womb of a mother with the head downwards and the entire body here. So we need to do exercise, we need to keep ourselves active. So we need to activate the points. Now this part forms the head of the child and the child is seated in this manner. This is our entire body. If we do the activation of our ear points, we would be activating our entire body. To make things simple and explanatory, I would put it this way. Start with pressing this earlobe. That means you are pressing the points of the head. Press this 20 times. Take a count, press 20 times. Next is pull your earlobe. Use a little force so that the points there get activated, get energized. Pull 20 times. Okay. Then coming to this top portion of the ear. Hold the ear cartilage within the two fingers and rub this portion 20 times. Take a count. Having done this 20 times, the next is pull this ear upper portion 20 times. Having done this, the next is come to all the ridges and the spaces inside. Run your finger along the ridges and take a count. I am sure my video is quite clear and you can see how to run the finger through the ridges in your ear. By this you are activating all the points of your body. Do this 20 times. Take a count of this. Having done this, the next is within the ear, there's the outer ear, then there's the middle ear, and then the inner ear. In order to activate all the things, start pressing the points here of the middle ear externally. Press this 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a count of 20. Thereafter, put your finger in your ear and push this forward 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 times. Then again your arm goes round and take this behind 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 times. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4 downwards. Now I'll show you, you have to do this same simultaneously to both the ears, not one ear. I am showing one ear for ease of showing. So do this to both the ears 20 times upwards. Having done this, now let me explain to you that if you see the position of a child with a head here and the buttocks this side, this becomes the spine of the person. So you need to activate this. By activating the spine portion, you will have a strong back. You will feel the difference in your lifestyle, in your day-to-day activities, that you will have a strong back, a straight spine. Rub this with a little force, with a little pressure, so that the energy, anything that may have been blocked inside, begins to flow. Do this 20 times, up and down once, up and down twice. Do this 20 times. Having completed this, the another part is, let us take the entire ear. We press this upwards, bring this downwards, bring this sideways inside. That means we have squeezed the entire ear. So all the points within the ear get charged and energized and activated. Keep this pressed for a moment. Let you should be able to feel the pressure within. Holding this for a short while till you feel the pressure, release it. Do this 5 times. And you will be doing this simultaneously on both the ears. All the point that I am showing you, you have to be done simultaneously on both the ears. Now, having done this, the next and the last point for the ear, I would advise with the palm, close your ears tight. Close them tight and release them. Do this 5 times, and if you can do these exercises at any part of the day, any part of the night, whenever it is suitable and convenient to you, and you will find a big difference in your health. Happy health, enjoy your life. Thank you, everybody.